Hi squad! So happy you're here! In today's adventure vlog, let's solve this addition problem. 36 plus 29. The ones place is on the right and the tens place is on the left. We start solving the addition equation by adding the numbers in the ones place. 6 plus 9 equals 15. In the number 15, there are 5 ones, right? 5 in the ones place. The number in the tens place is called the carry. We carry the 1 over to the tens place and write it above the 3 like this. Now we add the numbers in the tens place. 1 plus 3 equals 4. We need to add 2 more, which gives us 6, right? 6 in the tens place. So 36 plus 29 equals 65. And this is our final answer to this problem. Hit like, subscribe and share the video if you enjoy it.